Vanakkam. This is Haidar Ali Sayyed from Aaseevagam, United under Tamil Shiva. This video is dedicated to the call of ancient tradition of Tamil and Hebrew. The ancient tradition of Tamil uh, sound of shankh to call people to Kovil for administration and for group yoga and group meditation. And similar thing was done by Hebrew. They use trumpet made out of horn ram called to call people to Sabbath day and get together behind their prophets or their kings. The azan of Aryan settlers, which we hear from the mosque 5 times a day, when their short namaz based on Burak hadith is fake. Where is the question of the azan being authentic? Listen to the sound.